Hi everyone. In this work, we focus on interactive learning in state space to teach autonomous behavior to robots. Imitation learning provides us the opportunity to teach agents or robots through demonstration as opposed to manually engineering behavior. Challenges in imitation learning arise due to new situations faced by the agent or robot that did not exist in the demonstrations, a significant number of demonstrations required for learning, as well as demonstrator expertise required to teach the task to the agent. With this in mind, we focus on interactive imitation learning, where an agent performs the task by observing the environment and taking actions, while at the same time, a human teacher observes this agent behavior and provides feedback to improve and correct the agent's behavior. In many interactive learning settings, the demonstrator provides feedback in the action space. However, providing feedback in the action space is not always intuitive or easy, especially in the case where the demonstrator is a non-expert. As an example, here we see a lunar lander task where a demonstrator provides feedback using a keyboard interface on which engines to fire. Now, the lunar lander flies towards the target position at the bottom here, but the feedback provided by the demonstrator does not aid it in landing safely and correctly at the target location. A better scenario would be if we could provide state space feedback to the lunar lander directly in the XY coordinates. In this case, the demonstrator simply tells the lunar lander to move down, and the actions being executed, that is, the firing of the engines, are actually computed by the agent correctly in order to move vertically down. With this in mind, we propose a method named Teaching Imitative Policies in State Space, or TIPS, where the demonstrator provides feedback in the state space. This feedback is in the form of binary signals that imply an increase or decrease in the current state. Binary signals make it even easier for demonstrators to provide feedback since they don't need to provide accurate values. To get the actions that correspond to this state transition, we use a learned dynamics model, and with the state and actions known, we can train an agent policy. To compute these actions that lead to the state transition, we propose using an indirect inverse dynamics method in which actually a forward model is used and learned. We predict the next states for multiple candidate actions using this forward model and then choose the action that minimizes the deviation from the desired state. With this indirect method, we avoid any infeasibility issues that typically arise in inverse dynamics, as well as work in partial state dimensions, which can many a times be the case when the desired state is in partial state dimensions. We evaluate the method on these OpenAI Gym environments and design experiments where human participants who are non-expert demonstrators have to teach the task to an agent. Our method TIPS compares favorably to imitation learning methods such as behavior cloning and Gale, as well as to the demonstrator teleoperating the task themselves. We also compare the method to an action space baseline method, Decoach. And again, for these environments, our method compares favorably in terms of learning efficiency as well as overall performance. Furthermore, we also validate TIPS for experiments on a real robot. First, we design a robotic fishing task where the robot has to swing a ball into a nearby cup. The feedback provided by the demonstrator is in the form of the Cartesian position of the end effector, while the actions move each of the joints of the robot. After sufficient training, the robot can learn to reliably place the ball into the cup after about 15 to 20 minutes of training. Another task that we designed is this laser drawing task, where the robot has a laser pointer attached to its end effector and it has to draw a shape on a whiteboard. The demonstrator feedback is in the form of corrections, that is, moving up, down, left or right of the laser in the space of the image. After some time, the robot can be taught to draw different characters on the whiteboard. So, in conclusion, we've shown that TIPS leverages the advantages of state space and compares favorably in terms of learning efficiency as well as performance to imitation learning and interactive learning methods in action space, in the case where the demonstrators are non-experts. For more information, please refer to our paper, and I'd like to thank you for your attention.